Hello students. So I hope you have watched my previous lecture about the earth magnetism. So in this video, very first I will recapitulate this topic, earth magnetism. So maybe there some confusion will arise. I know that it has arisen. So here I will just first clear some confusion, and once again we will just recapitulate that previous what is earth magnetism, and then we will learn what is uniform non-uniform magnetic field lines, then some orientations, means when a magnet placed towards north pole, towards the earth's north pole, means towards the magnetic north pole, or you can say geographical north pole, or towards the south pole. So what the orientation it will show, and then neutral points. So one by one, students, we will study. So before that, just once again we just recapitulate that what is earth magnetism. Students, previous lecture also I explain you that there is, suppose this is earth. So I told you that there is a very long bar magnet deep inside the earth surface. So actually that is hypothetical. There is nothing a bar. Maybe you think that there is a bar magnet inside the earth, but scientifically it has not proved. But a situation, molten materials are present. You know that in the core of the earth there is molten high temperature, and molten metals, those gets ionized. Okay, and that ionized, when they will rotate, a polarity, a dipole will arise, and that polarity will create the, you can say, the magnetic field. I hope students you can understand. So this is the thing, that is the thing which is hypothetically, okay, imagination. So that's why, students, what I have told in the previous lecture, that is the geographical north pole, GM, geographical north, here it is geographical south. Okay, so that is the thing. And magnetic north is just like 11.3 degree, I told you, like this. That is magnetic north, you can say geographic north, students, in, okay, magnetic south. Now students, that is the magnetic north, magnetic south, but inside there is a bar magnet, I told you, which is, means if you put the magnetic needle, if you put everywhere, it will show its north direction. North direction means one side it aligned. Generally, if you put a compass in your hand, anywhere if you stand on the earth surface, so it will align itself in particular only north-south direction. You know it. Magnetic needle or compass, whatever, if you just suspended a bar magnet, you know that they will just align itself towards the north-south direction. So where it is aligned the north-south direction, so suppose that is the magnetic needle, it is so this direction. Here you just hold, here you just stand in here in this surface, okay, and here just magnetic needle point towards north, this side aligned like this. So upper north side you can know, so its north side attracted, means there it is the south. What the bar magnet means, what the imaginary magnet is deep inside the earth, there it will be the opposite. Okay, that's why to that opposite will attract north. You know that opposite field attract each other. So that's why it is called magnetic north pole. Okay, means when a compass is placed anywhere in the earth, it will align itself towards the north-south direction. North-south direction, so that north direction is known as the magnetic north pole, and south is magnetic south pole. Okay, clear? So as north direction it is showing, means deep inside of the earth the bar magnet present, south pole is present that side. I hope it's clear. Means there is south pole and here it is north. That's why to that as the south pole present, that's why to that magnetic needle's north pole is attracted towards that. Imagine, I hope you just clear, you got a clear sense about this. Okay, so let me show you a picture. Okay, then you can understand. Students, in this picture you can see, I've just little bit zoom it. You can see that is the earth. This is the earth, green line, and inside the imaginary bar magnet you can see that is the south, that is north side, and it is NG SG, means geographical north, geographical south. Students, this is NG, it is SG. Okay, and here it is SM, south magnetic, NM, north magnetic. Okay, then clear with this picture. Okay, once again I am just drawing it, just hold 1 minute. I hope students here you can understand. Okay, whatever you need to understand, students. So here you can see north geographic, south geographic, and north magnetic, south magnetic. So in this picture you can see, students, here you can see this is the magnetic needle. You can see the attraction. So wherever, so earth is acting like a bar magnet, students. That's why you can see in that bar magnet how the magnetic lines draw around a bar magnet. You know, here if I draw, if this is a bar magnet, you know the inside that is north, that is south, south to north, outside north to south. Okay, similar happens, students, here. Similar just magnetic line field happens here from south to north, students, like this. Why? From south to north, why, students? Because you just imagine, actually it is happened from north to south. Okay, just watch it. Actually happens from north to south, but this north is called south magnetic. Why south magnetic? Because this north attracts magnetic. If you place the magnetic needle, that north attract the south pole of the magnetic needle. This north attract south pole of the magnetic needle you hold in your hand. Okay, so that's why that south pole means that we are not consider this inside bar magnet, but we will consider the magnetic needle what we hold in our hand. Okay, so that's that south pole directed towards the south geographical poles. Okay, so that is the magnetic south. So that's why actually from north to south is happening. Okay, from north to south is happening, but what you see for the as the magnetic needle is placing as the direction, it's just reverse. You can see that is magnetic north, magnetic south. So from it outside it will look like that, from south to north the magnetic field line is going. Okay, actually from this south. Okay, as this is the magnetic line, so we will draw along this, and inside it is from south to north, and outside it is from south to north to south, and opposite, and outside it is from, that is from south to north, outside from south direction to southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere, generally from. Okay, so this is the thing. And students, now one thing in your book you can see that north geographic, it is south magnetic. So students, one thing I am showing you, that picture also I am showing you. This here you can see both are correct, students. Here you can see geographic north, magnetic south. Here, and this is magnetic north, geographic south. Geographic north south, magnetic north south, and the magnetic line you see from north to south. The arrow, look at the arrow, students, very important. So from southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere arrow is going, understand? that is the magnetic field line, just like bar magnet. Here bar magnet, okay, similar like bar magnet, north to south, above to below, it is above north, below south, that's why this direction. And here north below, above south, that's why southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere. Now students, just read below. The magnetic pole means red line and the geographic pole in green are separated by about 10 degree right now. Okay, 10 degree, that this alignment is 10 degree, and in my previous lecture it's from 10 to 11.3, just like, okay, near about, all are correct, approximate. Now the earth spin around the geographic pole, but the magnetic compasses point to the magnetic poles. Okay, understand students, earth spin through the geographic pole, but magnetic compass point to the magnetic poles. Magnetic compass not point towards the earth geographic poles, it will point towards the magnetic poles, and magnetic poles is different from the earth geographic poles. Okay, and it is 10 degree or 11 degree aligned, this position. Okay, public domain. Achha, okay, so there is the source name has given to the magnetic poles. Now students, maybe you are confused that magnetic south, and here you can see magnetic north. One very nice thing I am showing you, you can note it down also, that over the life of earth, the orientation of earth magnetic field has reversed. Can you imagine? Means life, there is a life, you know, the life of earth some billion years has there, that much the life of earth. So in that life of earth, the orientation of earth magnetic field has reversed many times, means with magnetic north becoming magnetic south and vice versa. Can you imagine? Means that pole exchange takes place in millions of years, that exchange. So that all are imaginary, students. So whatever you are reading, that is all imaginary. That's why an event, it is called geomagnetic reversal. This is called geomagnetic reversal. So there will be no much confusion. Okay, don't be confused regarding this thing. Understand? So here, so just follow this lecture what I am showing. It will be very much favorable for you, that when you hold a magnetic needle above earth's surface, it will align north south direction. So that north direction is called north magnetic pole, and the south direction south magnetic pole. So as it align north south, means the inside bar magnet just its opposite. Okay, means as magnetic needle showing its north, means inside there it is south and it is north. Okay, that is north. That's why when you bring the magnetic needle to the pole, this pole when you bring, it will vertically, the north pole will downward, vertically north downward and south upper. So here north here means the, if you bring the magnetic needle at this side, right side in Antarctica, in that place, you know, so somewhere it is present, you know, in the on the earth surface. Here north means how it is strictly perpendicular, south and north upper side, but directly it will attract the south. That's why it's called south magnetic pole, north magnetic pole. And in between, that is the equator, it is horizontal. It is magnetic needle horizontal, align itself properly. Okay, I hope students you can understand. This picture I am once again showing you. Here it is. I hope magnetic north, magnetic geographic, and that is geographic south, that is magnetic south. But inside the bar magnet it is north. That's why here it is south. Alignment is there. Okay, I hope students you can understand. You pause the video and you can just understand, feel, bring a feel inside you towards this topic. Otherwise students you can't understand. Okay, now students, last picture I will show you to proper understand magnetic north and geographic north. North geographic, north magnetic pole. You can see here north magnetic pole, but inside the bar magnet that is south. Similarly here inside that is south, but north magnetic. So similarly student, it is north magnetic, north geographic pole. Okay, earth can be thought of as containing a giant magnet running its core. The magnetic south pole of earth magnet is at geographic north pole. Okay, so so can you imagine the magnetic south pole of earth's magnet, okay, is at geographic north pole. You can see north geographic pole, that is from earth south pole. Okay, so the north pole of magnet is attract to the north pole. Okay, here you can see, as there is earth south present, so magnetic needles, bar magnets or whatever, its north will attract it towards the opposite pole. Understand, student? That's why this pole is called north magnetic pole. Okay, that is, and two pole, north magnetic and south magnetic pole, used to reverse in million of years. Okay, that's why you can understand that geomagnetic reversal also happens. That's why it is not fixed also sometimes. Okay, it can happen. So in one side you will read, you will just follow this my lecture and you will prepare like this, students. Okay, now students, uniform and non-uniform magnetic field lines. What is uniform? When magnetic field lines are parallel and force experienced by any object is same at every point. In previous lecture I have explained, suppose the line are equidistant. Okay, equidistant lines experience equal magnetic field. I explain you previous lecture, I explained. I hope you watched my lecture. So here also once again I am explaining. You can see x, y and z. If I take 3 point, this line, that magnetic field x, y and z point are equal. So some sources inside a solenoid or bar magnet. What is solenoid, students? I will explain later. Okay, just if you remember a bar magnet, you can see that inside the bar magnet, in outside that is like this, north south, inside it is equidistant from south to north, equidistant. So inside bar magnet you can say there is uniform field. Okay, and between two magnet you can see one north, another south pole. Two magnet if you bring together, north and there it is south, there also you can see some uniform field between them. Non-uniform also there, but uniform also there. And if the magnetic field line like this, here you can see they are very much close, and here it is gap, here it is gap, here it is more gap, again close. So if these types of magnetic field happens, means magnetic field line happens, then that is called non-uniform magnetic field line. If I give example outside a solenoid or bar magnet, suppose this is a bar magnet, north south, outside from north to south. So from north to south, if you see here in this area, it is very much close together. That's why the pole strength is more. Previous lecture I have explained, all the magnetic lines close, but in middle here they are more distance. That's why it is non-uniform. Okay, there is some picture in your book, you must check it. That some pictures has given about the how the uniform and non-uniform line has drawn. Okay, from a bar magnet and horseshoe magnet. Okay, I am showing you, students, here. It will be important. Okay, maybe the drawing will come in exam sometime. You just practice it. Here you can see magnetic field due to a bar magnet. That is so very easy, I have drawn several times. Here magnetic field lines due to a horseshoe magnet. You can see between north and south, there it is like this, and outside also like this. Why this happens I will explain. And here north and north, same pole, when being together they will just move away from north to south, this magnet, and its north to south. There is no attraction. Okay, here there is a attraction force. Here is also between north south a attraction happens. Okay, I hope it's clear, students. Now students, we will discuss the procedure. Means the two orientation happens. Generally two orientation happens. How? That I am saying. Students, in earth it has the magnetic field, you know. somewhere if you keep the magnetic needle, it will take align as north and south direction. But if you bring another bar magnet, okay, if you bring suppose earth surface, there is a magnetic needle you bring, okay, or a magnet you just place. Earth to itself has equidistance from south to north hemisphere, inside from south to north and outside from north to south. That is the just like bar magnet, there is the magnetic field. Okay, so from southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere, inside the magnet, inside the earth, lines are there, magnetic field lines from southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere. Okay, so this happens. When this happens, when you put a bar magnet, so what effect will happen? Understand what I am saying? Means earth itself a magnet. Earth itself a magnet. So when you place a bar magnet, that is magnetic north, or you can say geographic north, that is, suppose I am saying geographic north, NG, and that is geographic south, NS, NG, geographic north, SG, okay, geographic south. So when just we can put the bar magnet north south, same alignment if I put, then that field line somehow it will be distracted, okay, because earth is a magnet. If you bring another magnet above it, so in your home also if you take a bar magnet, how earth will affect, okay, means when a magnet is placed with its north pole pointing towards north of earth magnetic field, so what deflection it will show, what the magnetic line, magnetic field lines, how it will be looks like, that I will explain. Okay, so between two orientation, first you can see when a magnet is placed with its north pole pointing towards the north. So I will show you the first, I will show the picture, then you can understand. Students, here is the picture. You can see there is a bar magnet which is placed, it is a bar magnet, north earth magnet, bar magnet placed above earth surface. You can see north pole towards the north direction of the earth, that is the earth north direction, and that is the bar magnet has kept. So what happens, student, this is the earth magnetic field line. You see this area and this area, you can see. But when we just keep the bar magnet also from north to south it will show, because in bar we know that magnetic field from north to south and inside south to north. So earth magnetic field is there, but similarly bar magnet is also its own magnetic field. So here you can see a area will generate. In this area you can see that earth, so you know from south to north hemisphere the magnetic lines equidistant parallel, but when we keep bar magnet in anywhere of the earth, okay, you can see that in this place a cross sign, and here also a cross sign, just magnetic field of bar magnet arrow downward and magnetic field of earth arrow upward. Because earth magnetic field I told you from south to north direction, you have practiced, but bar magnet from north to south, same thing happens. Earth also from north to south, that's why from southern hemisphere, in southern hemisphere the inside magnet of the earth north pole is present, okay, that is magnet means north magnetic pole of earth north is present downwards, that's why from north to south, that is the every time this happens from southern to northern hemisphere. You just keep it in mind that in earth the magnetic field lines from south to north, okay. So here in bar magnet, that is north to south. So in this area you can see, students, the magnetic field is equal and opposite, and as the field is equal and opposite, the field strength become 0 in these 2 points, this cross section area. Okay, so here that I have explained that when a magnet is placed in north pole pointing towards north, suppose that is earth, that is north geomagnetic, north geographic, that is south geography. So from south to north, because inside you know here it is north and it is south, inside the bar magnet here it is south and it is north, that's why from north to south means from south hemisphere to north hemisphere the earth magnetic field is actually from north to south, but that north is present towards south geographic pole, earth's. Okay, and when we put the magnetic needle, it will show its south direction here, so that's why south magnetic also you can say, no problem, and it is north magnetic. Okay, through the in the presence of magnetic needle, otherwise you know that earth's magnet, bar magnet present inside the earth, just reverse means geographic north pole contain south pole of the earth's bar magnet. Okay, so students, I hope you understand from north to south it is going. When you put the bar magnet, that is to earth, so suppose this is earth, I am not drawing this inside picture, you just keep it in mind. When you put a bar magnet, so there is the from south to north, you know that from there is the inside, so there is a magnetic field. Okay, equidistance. So when you will place the, and this pole to sometime reverse, you know that, so north south whatever, no problem. So here equidistance. Now if you put a bar magnet, so that is from south hemisphere to north hemisphere, the magnetic field line is going. When you put a bar magnet, suppose that is north and that is south, so from it is just opposite magnetic field. So in this area, okay, like the picture I am talking about this area, the magnetic field strength is 0. So these are the some criteria you need to remember, students. There is nothing to understand, means just you have to know, you need to know. And if we keep the opposite, okay students, suppose inside, so that is the normal parallel line from south to north, put a bar magnet, here it is south and it is north. You can see when a magnet placed with its south pole towards north means north geographic south. So what happens, students? That is bar magnet, that is earth, so same pole. So what happens from north to south? Can you imagine? Here you can see the aligned same direction, all the field happens. So what happens? I am showing you the picture. This condition happen arrive. You can see north to south. Similarly, that is the earth magnetic field outside, and inside that bar magnet north to south. So here this kind of position, these two position cross sign, you can see there the magnetic field that from south to north below side, and here the above side. Can you imagine? And here it is below, so just opposite and equal. So this both area, the magnetic field of bar magnet and the earth magnet is equal and opposite. Okay, that's why the magnetic field experience in this position is 0. Student, these places are called neutral points. Okay, that's why I am saying. After some time I will explain. So here in this case you can see like this, means again I am drawing the picture. That is the magnet, south, north, magnetic field is like this, it is going. So in this position it is downward, okay, north to south downside, but here above it is just like this, above side arrow. So this both, if you see, that is downside and it is upside, means opposite and equal. So here is both this area to neutral point happens. So these are the conditions, students. In your book present I have explained. If you read you can understand. So they are the points at which the net magnetic field is zero, is called neutral points. So what happens if you keep a needle, magnetic needle, in this position, students? What happens in this position? Here besides and here above, below, what you will see, students? You can see it will any direction it will show. Okay, means the magnetic needle generally becomes, suppose like this is north south, but in the neutral points, this both area, in these points, the north and it can align in any direction. Suppose you just shake the compass and again you hold, it will show just like this. Okay, means the regular pattern you can't see in the neutral point. So that is you can see here at the neutral point, the magnetic field produced by a magnet is equal in magnitude to Earth horizontal magnetic field and is opposite in the direction of Earth horizontal magnetic field. Okay, understand? Means Earth horizon, if we compare with Earth horizontal magnetic field, in the neutral points you can see these both side and here the above below, Earth horizontal magnetic field and the bar magnets, means the magnets, what magnet you are keeping, that's magnetic field is equal and opposite. You can see is equal and in opposite in direction. That's why the resultant magnetic field at neutral point is zero. Hence a compass needle, if placed at neutral point, will rest in any direction. So student, this is the basic concept of neutral point. I hope you can understand these two conditions and neutral point and what is earth magnetism. I'll clear it. If you have any confusion, leave a comment below. I just touch all side. Okay, I hope you can understand by watching this lecture the basic concept of magnetism and earth magnetism, and next lecture I will talk about electromagnet. So students, be with me. Thank you very much. God bless you all.